Guys, happy loading. Do you want to part 2 of this? Because I'm going to make a different part 2. So, just recommend me some. Do you want me to make the twisted book? Comment below.
What's the sound of the car?
Please.
What's the sound of the car? Car. That's the fire truck. Noni, noni. Noni, noni. Fire truck. Noni, noni.
That's car.
The car. Oh, beep beep. Diba? Beep beep.
Ano yung nangyari niya yung money? Boom boom.
Dapat yan papasagdali. Lagyan nila ng hams para oo nga, nagmimino yung mga motor. Ay, bawal. Pwedeng highway siya. Yes, next highway.
Service road pa sa may bagong bagong ng
Dapat yung request nila kasi dapat iakyat sa ano. Na-accidente nila.
yung mga motor na ang layo pa. Wala, hakabulin pa. Kaya kahit na pag lumilip ako dyan pa, nakasintan na ako, nakaganon na ako, sumisinip pa. Kaya ako, malayo pa lang, nakasintan na ako eh. Pag dyan ako galing. Pag ganun na ako, mayroon yung isa nga ako. Parang ginawa ko, tinanong ko, video nag-pray, ako lagi kong ginaganon ng motor dyan para nadadala yung video.
Manadami ng tao din pero nadala na malakas yung impact.
Motor ang nakapagdala.
Sige. Kasi parang pumasok din yung motor doon sa ay, sa gilid. Doon sa ano yun, sa sidecar niya. Oo, yung sidecar.
You can take any character in any style and convert it into a video mirroring your movement.
Open the Pixworks app, upload your video, and you're done.
I used to flow, now I just fall down. I used to know.
This is Star Maker, where you can sing your heart out to all the latest top hit songs. You can pitch correct and add reverb so you can sound like a famous singer. So what are you waiting for? Tap the screen and download now.
I'm not listening. So just look at this. Just enjoy the speedrun. Have fun.
Kaya dapat kasi pag malayo pa lang tatansin mo kung gaano ka-release yung motor eh. Kasi pag sobrang release na, gaano hindi ko kasalubong mo.
Kasi nga, di ba pagdating ko,
Bata. Kaya pala natawag na din yung police na nasa pinanan. Diyan pala
Yung pang
Also, don't forget, there is Millie.
Ay, batay ka.
She
Ka
named
na?
him in
Yung pakyat. Ang matutulog na sila, mami.
yes. So today I'll just
Kailan ang check-up mo, mama? 27.
so yeah.
Sabado?
Okay, my girlfriend is coughing because I know.
Okay na yun sa palasakit. Natatakan na. Hindi mahaba pila. Ano oras yung ano mo? Ibalas yung namin kukuha. Ano requirements? Requirements? Dapat nga, yung ganyan. System, Oo nga, I mean, dapat nakakonect ka na kasi na para yung ano, hindi na pila, hindi na bumuha doon, bumuha dito.
Original na pan. Yun sa barangay. Original. Eh, malayo din ang biyahe.
Dahil talaga, guys. Swerte nyo.
These niggas out here snitching, they with the rat pack. Hit 'em with the chopper, that's the rat trap. Find them in that trash bag off the interstate. These niggas out here snitching, they with the rat pack. Hit 'em with the chopper, that's the rat trap. Find them in that trash bag off the interstate. These niggas out here snitching, they with the rat pack. Hit 'em with the chopper, that's the rat trap. Find them in that trash bag off the interstate. These niggas out here snitching, they with the rat pack. Hit 'em with the chopper, that's the rat trap.
I would roast you, but my mom said I'm not allowed to burn trash. I would roast you, but my mom said I'm not allowed to burn trash.
Does anyone else have a family full of Big Macs? Because I just opened this ice cream thinking it was pretty much full, but it felt really light. So that's when I realized